Come test drive the 2023 Tahoe. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, remote engine start, running boards, active grille shutters, stability control, front suspension type, strut, roll stability control, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, power brakes. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, airbags, front, center, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition.
A GM-certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our thorough inspection, GM warranty, free vehicle history report, and more. You can expect it all from a GM-certified used vehicle. GM-certified means no worries.